Alrighty, hey everybody, it's Ben from First American Title, and I am just going to show you how to now build the lead ad. So in that last video, we had gone through and we had built out, or we had decided which page we were going to use. We selected the audience that we had already saved. We decided where we were going to show our ad. We decided how much we were going to spend and how long we were going to spend that kind of money. And now we're going to build the ad here, the third step. So for this particular example, I'm going to do a slideshow, and I'm going to show you how to build that. If you had a good video, you could do the video here. If you just had one picture, you could do it with the single image. And then the carousel is, it just shows up in people's newsfeed, and they have the ability to click to change the picture. The reason I like the slideshow is because it automatically changes the pictures inside of people's news feeds. And I think that there's something eye-catching about when pictures just change on you. So I like the slideshow. So I just selected it there. And then I'm going to go here to this bottom tab that says Create Slideshow. And what it's going to do, it's going to allow me to upload a bunch of videos. So the next thing you do is click this plus button, and it's going to open up all the files inside of your computer. I already went on the internet and found a bunch of pictures, so I'm just going to upload them now. But if you had pictures, you could do that yourself. And I just click in this blue box here, and then it'll pull up all the files. And I have them saved under Facebook and Renters in the Springs. So we're going to do Sick of Renting. Click that blue box there again. We're going to do the small apartment. Click the blue box again. We're going to do the dogs. Click the blue box again. And we're going to do the fenced yard. And I'm going to hit confirm. So now it's going to put together a looping video, and I'm going to change the duration to 2 seconds. And it's going to look like this. So watch this area and watch this video that we just made. And now I know that doesn't look quite perfect. Obviously you'd want to take a little more time to selecting the pictures and making sure they fit and all that stuff. But you have the ability there to add up to 10 images, and it's just going to be a looping slideshow. So you can add music to it, and there's all different sorts of stuff you can do as you spend time just messing around with it. And we're going to hit Create Slideshow. And what I'm trying to do with this is I'm just trying to grab people's attention so that they read what I have to say in my ad, which is what we're going to fill in all down here. And this video looks like it may take a little bit longer than 5 minutes, so my apologies, but I hope it's helpful. So we'll let this load. In the meantime, I'm going to start filling in the text. So for this text, you just want to enter in something that someone would read quickly. So for here, we're doing renters in Colorado Springs that have dogs. So let's put, are you sick and tired of taking your dogs for a walk just to go to the bathroom? We have a list of all houses under 300K with fenced-in yards. And that text is going to appear at the top of the ad. Then the link here, you don't have to do this, but it's going to show up on the ad as well. So let's do www.yardswithfences.com. And I realize that's probably not a real website, but it's going to show up right here. So I'm just going to type that in so you see where it goes. Then for the headline, let's put tired of renting, and in a second it'll show you where that's going to show up there in the bold. And then for the news feed link description, Not all of this is going to show up inside of the ad, and you'll see in just a second where it does show up. But here's where I'm going to tell them everything that I want to get from them. So let's type in here something like, do you have dogs? Are you tired of a small apartment? And are you looking for a house? Contact us. We have a list of great houses that would suit your animals well. And as you can see there, it's not going to show up in the ad. If they were to click your ad, they can read all of that. And then this call to action button, you have the ability to change that. So you could change that to any of these buttons. None of them change what this does in the lead ad. So if I change this to learn more, all you're trying to do is get people to click on this ad. And in the next video, I'll show you what happens when they click on that ad. But that's all you're looking for. So that's it for this video. The next video is going to be on building this lead form, which again is what happens after they click this ad. So let me go up